Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Ioniq with its key. To begin, simply press the unlock button on your key fob. This action will unlock all the doors, allowing you to enter your vehicle quickly and easily. If you need to access the trunk, press the dedicated trunk release button. To secure your Ioniq, press the lock button, which also activates the alarm system for added protection. If your key fob isn't working, you can still open your Ioniq manually. First, locate the small button on the side of your key fob. Slide this button to release the hidden mechanical key. Insert this key into the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Turn the key clockwise to unlock the door, providing reliable access even without remote functions. A common reason for key fob issues is a low battery. If your remote isn't responding, it might be time for a replacement. You will need a CR2032 coin cell battery. Carefully pry open the key fob casing to access the old battery. Replace it with the new one, ensuring correct polarity, then snap the fob back together. This should restore full functionality. Losing or damaging your Hyundai Ioniq key can be stressful, but there are clear steps to take. Contact your local Hyundai dealership as soon as possible. They will require your vehicle's VIN to ensure you receive the correct replacement key. Remember, a new key will need to be programmed specifically for your Ioniq to function properly. Consider getting a spare key made for future peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.